I feel the gravity pull and it keeps me awake. I would rather be here, lonely in space. I've made up my mind, I just wanna be free. I live my own life in a new galaxy. I wanna be weightless in the silence of the night sky. I wanna free fall into nothing.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
Welcome back to the channel. So today's video we will be trying to fix this dent over here. It's at the rear bumper. So we have some paint scuffs, so we'll see if we can wipe them off. And yeah, but first things first, we'll just try and see if we can be able to make this bumper be how it was. So we'll take it off, and then after that we can try and push it out with a hand, and if we can't, then we'll try some other means. Maybe we can use a heat gun, or we can try and suck it out. So let's first take off the bumper. I think we just need to take off one side, and then after that we can work on the dent. Now we can start pushing or pulling it out and see if we can get just enough of it out so we can be able to squeeze in to the back over here.
Taking the moment, starting all over. I wanna be free and live my own life in a new galaxy.
So I think it's kind of hard to pull it out, so I will try to use a heat gun, and just apply the heat on the outside, and then make sure you have gloves on the inside, and push it out as you blow it. So the only other alternative would be to take out the entire bumper, and with that I'm not even sure if I'll be able to still pull it out. So we'll try out the heat gun and see how far that one takes us. So the heat gun did the work, did the magic. So I think it looks pretty much straight. So what we're gonna do next is put it back, and I think it's gonna regain its shape, which it's just gonna be a few days and it's gonna be okay. So yeah, we'll just put it back, and then we'll try and wipe this off, maybe use a detailer. And some of these scuffs, I think this is paint that's off, so we'll just wipe it off and leave it and see how clean it look. And if it's gonna need any painting, then we'll move on to the next. We'll move on to that one next. So we have this came off and nothing was broken, as you can see inside. So we'll just clip everything in, and after that we'll bolt it back in, do the same thing we did, and I think with that we'll be done. So lastly, what we'll do, we'll just try and see if we can clean up these paint scuffs. So I did a video before on how you can clean some of this stuff, so if you haven't watched it, the link is going to be there, so check it out. So we'll just use this and microfiber cloth and see if how much we can take off. So this is currently how it is right now, so I don't know if you can see it clearly. We might be able to take some of it off, so let's see.
Moments starting all over. I wanna be free and live my own life in a new galaxy.
So we are done, and I think it looks nice. It looks same way it was. You know, the only difference would be the few scuffs over here that's actually paint that peeled off. So there's nothing we can do about that unless we now have to repaint the whole rear bumper. But I don't think it's worth it. So this is something you can live with. So I guess that's it. It looks great. It looks way better, and definitely saved a couple hundreds. This is something easy. You can do it. You just need the few things I mentioned. So I'm going to attach everything, link everything in the description, and on the top right, if you're using your phone or tablet to watch this video, so just check them out. And everything I mentioned I'll also link in the description, so get them. And as always, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for the new subscribers. Continue subscribing, share this channel, like this video, leave a comment, and see you on the next one.